Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. And today I'm going to take a look at this little CCL 4-pin. I got this quite a while back from a locksmith in a neighboring town, and I got this when I first started picking. I went and visited a locksmith, and he gave me 6 locks to fool around with when like I said, when I first got started, and this was one of them. Didn't have a key when I got it, but I since just recently pinned it up to this key that was for the lock in my last video, and it works great. I'm not quite sure what's upstairs. I know I pinned the uppers quite a while back, and I didn't bother taking them out when I repinned this to this key here. So let's see what I put up there. Totally forget. I know there might be serrated. That's about all I really remember, and obviously some spools or something. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Go top of the keyway, probably go clockwise. Use my offset hybrid from Spp'd. Big fat click off 1, 2, 3. That might be an overset. Okay, 1, 2. 3, dropped into a little turn on the core. There we go, couple clicks off of, I think that was 4, yeah. 1, 2, I think still good. That's 3. One seems to be good, 2 seems to be good, 3's a little stiff, and there we go. Oh, so not too bad. Actually pretty easy. Let's take a look what's inside of here. See, it's picked, and since I have the key, I might as well lock it back up and take off this tailpiece. Screwdriver. Alright, use this electric screwdriver here. I'm dying already. Doesn't keep a charge for that long. Alright, get a pinning tray. And where's my follower? There it is. Kind of curious to see what's in here. I think my idea was to make it as tough of a 4-pin lock as I could. Oh, Kind of remembering. Actually, I didn't notice this when I rekeyed it. No threading, but you can see that if I can get this to focus a bit better. Let's try that again. There we go. You can see that I counter milled all 4 chambers. Did a decent job, I'd say. Not too bad. Anyway, let's get these out. Probably all standards below. I haven't really started trying to make any pins yet, but I should probably start doing that soon. No time like the present, right? Yeah, all standards below. Get these turned around. That one's good, that one's good. Sorry about that. Normally I wouldn't pick a little crappy 4-pin lock like this, but I figured it was sitting there and kind of running low on locks to pick, so why not make a video on this one too. Oh, we have a upside down T-pin. It's like that. The wafer. Oh, sorry guys. Try to do this through the camera. What do we have here? Oh, mushroom. Okay. Oh, so this must have been after I got the Sparrow's reload kit. I'll be able to tell when. Oh, that spool is not from the reload kit. I can tell that it's so that was from my lab kit, I'm guessing. And last one here, yeah, that was definitely from the reload kit. Alright, it's kind of coming back to me now. Nice little serrated. I've seen better days, actually. Kind of rough. But yeah, that's what was in this little 4-pin CCL. I'm not too familiar with the brand CCL. I think Pick Me 1977 mentioned that it might be might stand for Corbin cabinet lock, but it is a Mortise cylinder, so I have no idea. The keyway is Y1. Anyway, that's what we had there in this. I'll give you a close up in this CCL. So on the bottom, all standard T-pins, and on the top we had a upside down T-pin with a wafer, a mushroom pin, standard spool, commercial spool, and a commercial serrated. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this one. And as always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Don't pick anything that you don't own or have permission to pick. And have a great day, everyone. Thanks.